So first we'll do trigonometry. So everyone just keep heading as trigonometry. From trigonometry, you can expect one question in SAT, and you are required to know only the basics that I'm teaching you to. I'll teach you 3 levels of basics in trigonometry. You as a student should know them. Okay? Yeah. So in trigonometry, the first thing is, it is a right angle triangle. We apply the sine, cosine, tan rule to this right angle triangle. So if ABC is right angle, let B. We generally know Pythagorean triplets. What is the meaning of Pythagorean triplets? Sides of the triangle, like 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet, right? Like this, we have few more Pythagorean triplets which you should know. Why? Because if for example, if I say, I'll explain everything, don't worry. If I say sine theta is 7 by 25, I know this is theta, I know this is 7 and this is 25. I should not waste my time to find BC, it would be 24 automatically. When you can do this, when you know the Pythagorean triplets. So anything that saves even 1 second of time for me in the exam is important to me. So the first thing that you need to know is Pythagorean triplets for any competitive exam. Even it will help you in SAT exam. So the Pythagorean triplets are, there are many, but I'm going to write few. You need to remember them. So this is one pair. When I say one pair, you double this, you get this. You make 3 times, you get this. The next pair that is important for us is 5, 12, 13, 10, 24, 26. The next pair that is important to us is 7, 24, 25. The next pair that is important is 8, 15, 17. The next pair that is important is 9, 40, 41. The next pair that is important to us is 11, 60, 61. So these are the pairs that are important. You require to know, this is the minimum. If you know this, 99%, they'll ask 7 by 25 or 8 by 17 or 10 by 26 or 5 by 13. This is one pair, this is one pair. You make 2 times of this, you get this. So just remember this, automatically this comes to your brain. So you need to remember other things. These are the Pythagorean triplets. This is not part of trigonometry, but this is important. Wherever you say triangle, the 2 right angle triangle, this triplets, that is Pythagorean triplets, are important. So please do store them. Student who don't know this, if I say 7 by 25 to calculate this, he'll take his wonderful calculator, then say 25 square plus 7 square plus x square. He'll take that side, subtract and take under root to find x. He'll waste at least 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, if you know this, you'll save 10 to 15 seconds, which is too much in SAT here. Okay, so first thing we have learned is Pythagorean triplets. Now I start what exactly is required in trigonometry. So when I said trigonometry, everyone should copy these Pythagorean triplets, write them on a whiteboard, stick it to the wall, so that if you see them 5 to 10 times, you'll get it. If not, you are very good in math. I did not by heart. I never by heart anything here. I forget. I'm big Ghazni. I forget the things. So I remember 41 square is 1681. 41 square, I'm very fast in calculations. I'm using some logics to find it. 40 square is 1600. I need to add 81, so 9. That is the way I do it. 61 square is 3721. 60 square is 3600. I need to add 121, so 11. So like this, I'm using the strategies in my mind. I did not by heart. I'm fast in calculation. 17 square is 289. 15 square is 225. So I need to add 24, so 8 square. Similarly, I do the things. Please do remember those. Now, I'll come back to trigonometry. What exactly is required in trigonometry so that we can solve any question that comes as part of the exam? The following rules are required. The first rule that is required, or you are required to know in trigonometry, is if I have triangle ABC. So what are the different ways we can measure this angle C? Let me assume it as theta. This angle can be measured in different ways. This angle can be measured in different ways. The 2 important ways we can measure this angle is degrees. We can also measure this angle in terms of radians. So these are the 2 ways that we measure angle in triangle ABC. So definitely there should be some relation between degrees and radians. Most important. Sometimes I see they ask you direct question. When I say direct question, you'll understand. Next 1 minute. The conversion between degrees and radians is, this is the conversion. This is the symbol for radians. This is the symbol for degrees. So pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Suppose if I ask you what is 210 degrees in radians, everyone just try to type your answer in the chat box. What is 210 degrees in radians? Please do type. Everyone should type your answer in the chat box. Important. Sometimes I see 330 degrees is equal to which of the is equal to which of the following. So they give some options in radians. They give 5 pi radians is how many degrees? I see some direct questions coming in exam. So everyone just type this. 210 degrees is how many radians? All 28, 29 students in the class should give this answer. Be fast. I gave a easy conversion. You need to use that conversion rule. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. If we can use that, we can solve this question in seconds here. Perfect. I received answers from 6 students. Very good. Very good. Everyone should type. Please don't sit idle in the class. You are wasting your time. I gave you conversion rule. Use that. Everyone aggressively type. You just need to know simple rule. One apple costs 2 rupees. With 10 rupees, how many apples can I buy? As simple question as that. Pi radians is 180 degrees. So 210 degrees is how many radians? Very good. Almost 20 students give, even the 6-7 students. Be active. It should not take so much time. Please do give me answer. If you think you cannot give, so answer for this question should be, so 180 degrees is pi radians, or pi radians is 180 degrees, both are same. Now I'm asking a simple question. 210 degrees is how many radians? I just need to do a simple cross multiplication. 210 into pi is equal to 180 into x. Therefore, x is equal to 210 by 180 into pi. 0, 0, katam. This goes 7 times. This goes 6 times. 7 by 6 pi. As simple as that. Or 7 pi by 6. Swati perfect. Abhiram perfect. Harshil perfect. Junaid, you need to simplify it. Anand, you should give in terms of, I think 7 pi by 6 is not 1.16 here. So 7 pi by 6. Okay, I wrote it on the board, right? So 7 pi by 6 should be my answer. Very good. Very good. So remaining students have given me perfect answer. Perfect. So now tell me very, very quick. You should be too quick. You should tell me what is 450 degrees in terms of radians. Quick. 450 degrees in terms of radians. Then I'll give you actual SAT questions, how they ask, how do we approach them. The first thing that we need to know in trigonometry is conversion between degrees and radians. That is the first conversion that you are required to know. What is 450 degrees in terms of radians? 450 degrees in terms of radians. Very good. Abhinav perfect. Siri perfect. Pranav perfect. Sidhu perfect. Aditya perfect. Mahi perfect. Lasya perfect. Everyone should type here. Harshil perfect. Jojo Maxa. Who is this here? Come with your original names here. Next time I will not allow. Kathy perfect. You missed pi symbol. Vanilla perfect. Ashrita perfect. Others too. Fast. Lahari perfect. Abhiram perfect. Gosha, you did a small minor mistake. I might just see it once, or you might made a typing error here. Yeah. So, okay, Nikit, perfect. Now, when I see this question, I just told you pi radians is 180 degrees. Now I am asking you 450 degrees is how many radians? Again, the same rule follows. Do cross multiplication. 450 into x is equal to 180 into 450 into pi is equal to 180 into x. This and this katam. So 45 by 18. into pi is equal to x. 5 nines are 45, 2 nines are 18, so 5 by 2 pi. So the value of x is 5 pi by 2 radians. As simple as that. Simple, right? Yeah, everyone should do. I will not waste my time. Last question, simple question. 3 pi by 6 is not 3 pi by 6. It looks too hard. Yeah. 7 pi by 3 is how many degrees? 7 pi by 3 radians is how many degrees? Everyone should type in seconds. By now, you would have given me the answer. 7 pi by 3 radians is how many degrees? 7 pi by 3 radians is how many degrees? People are in hurry. One or two have typed it wrong. You should be in hurry, but you should never make mistakes here. I understand students have a lot of pressure, but no way we should make mistakes. Very good, everyone. Fast, perfect. So pi radians is 180 degrees. So 7 into 180 by 3. So 7 into 180 by 3, this goes 60 times, which is 420 degrees. So I'm sure now everyone in the class is very clear about how to convert degrees to radians and radians to degrees. The first part that I require from your part, you are clear. Now let me go to the second part that you require to know in trigonometry. The second rules that you are required to know in trigonometry is, suppose if I have a triangle A, B, C, let this be angle theta. So AB is the side opposite to theta. BC is the side adjacent to theta. And this is the hypotenuse, because if I take angle B as 90 degrees, AC is hypotenuse. So we have three simple trigonometric rules. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So AB by AC is my sine theta. And cosine theta or cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is BC, hypotenuse is AC, so BC by AC. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent, which is same as sin theta by cos theta, which is same as AB by BC. So basic functionalities, most of you know. If anyone is not aware of these basic functions, you can write them, but I'm sure 99% of you are aware of sine, cosine, and tan. These are more than sufficient. Nothing else is required. This is a relationship between sine, cosine, tan theta. This is a relation between angle and sides. Next, second rule is you should know the relation. You should know what is sine theta, what is cosine theta or cos theta, what is tangent theta or tan theta. Very good. Third rule that is important that you are required to know. One simple rule to get good score is first get the concepts cleared and be aggressive and solve the questions as fast as possible. You will be the winner. You are lazy, you are wasting time, you are not focusing. You'll think that I'll do later. Marks also will come later. They'll not come in SAT here. They'll say, okay, right, next time we'll get the scores. Please be focused. Use this time wisely. You'll get definitely good scores. Third rule that you are required to know in trigonometry part is, suppose if I take triangle ABC, if this is 90 degrees, this is theta. What is this angle becomes? 90 minus theta. Why? Because 90 minus theta plus 90 plus theta should be 180 degrees. So if this angle is 90, this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. So we have few basic rules. What is that is, sine theta is same as cos or cosine 90 minus theta. Cos theta is same as sine 90 minus theta. Correct, right? Everyone, you know this rule. If you don't know, you can just write them. If you calculate sine theta, AB by AC, you calculate cosine 90 minus theta, AB by AC. So I can happily say sine theta is same as cosine of 90 minus theta, or I can replace cosine of 90 minus theta with sine theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cosine theta. Cosine theta is sine 90 minus theta. So interchangeable. Most important rules which you should know. Okay. So these are only the three rules that you are required to know. With the knowledge that you have gained so far, we'll just solve few actual questions that comes as part of the exam. So 1 second. Yeah. We'll be solving some trigonometry questions which have come as part of the exam here. Just let me see this. Yeah. So we'll see what are the questions that are there in trigonometry in this actual SAT paper, and we'll solve them. Everyone should be aggressive. I'll give you only maximum 2 minutes. I should give only 1 minute, but since you might be doing for the first time, I'll be giving you 2 minutes till you get adjusted to these things. So no, yeah. 19th question. What is the answer for 19th? Fast. You need to type your answer in the chat box. Please do type your answer in the chat box. Then after this, I'll do other important topics, similarity and congruence. Very good. Perfect. Aditya, Mayuka, Venela, Pranav, Alok, Swati, Abhinav, Sarayu, Lahari, Lasya. Even others. Attack and type your answer. Simple, direct question, right? Why people are waiting here? Everyone should give me answer by now. They gave sin x and they're asking what is the value of cos 90 minus x. Okay, perfect. Others, I am expecting answers from, I think at least 10 more students are there. Okay, 6 more are there who are yet to give the answer. Be fast. So simple, what we discussed, cos 90 minus x would be same as sin x. Cos 90 minus x would be same as sin x. So this is same as sin x. Since sin x is 4 by 5, cos 90 minus x is also 4 by 5. So answer should be 4 by 5 for this question. That should be my answer. Simple, right? Yeah, slowly I'll give difficult questions that will solve all the questions that are there in these papers as part of trigonometry. We'll be solving all the questions. Generally, they're giving in section 3 question. Sometimes I also see in section 4. So just let me glance once. If there is a question, we'll do trigonometry. If there is no question, we are happy. So there is nothing here. Now let me take the next paper. So in this, yeah, try to give me answer for this decent question. Let me see how many of you can give me answer. Start. Your time starts now. 23rd question. 23rd question. Everyone should type answer. Be aggressive in my class here. You'll get 800. I can assure you. Perfect. 2 students have given me answer. Even others, just type your answer. 4, 5. 6 students. Others also just attack. Just remember all the functions that all the formulas, the points that I told you here. Just apply them. You'll get answer in seconds. Fast. Eight students gave me answer. 20 more are yet to give me answer. Look into the question. Just think what I explained it to you. Apply the concept. You'll get answers. Fast. 10 students gave me answer. 10. Fourteen students gave me answer. Very good. Yeah. 15, 16, 17. Very good. Excellent. So who are not giving, you should be bit activated here, bit more active and give me your answers. I'll give you 10 more seconds. If you solve, very good. If not, I'm going to solve this and explain it to you. Okay. So when I need to solve this question, other 10, 11 students who did not give me answer, I think people are struggling. I got option as A, B, C, D. All options have been covered, which is very good. So for one question, all options have been covered means question should be decent enough. If not too difficult, it should be a decent enough question. So they gave sin A is equal to cos B. Sin A is equal to cos B, but we know cos B can be written as sin 90 minus B. So sin A is equal to sin 90 minus B. Therefore, A is equal to 90 minus B, or A plus B is equal to 90. So A is 4k minus 22, B is 6k minus 13 is equal to 90. 10k minus 35 is 90. 10k is 125. K is 125 by 10, which is 12.5. K is 125 by 10, which is 12.5. So answer is C for Chennai should be my answer. C for Chennai should be my answer. Let me see how many of you had given me answer as C for Chennai. Sidhu has given me C for Chennai. Aditya, Likit, Sarayu, Pranav, Abhinav, Siri, and Vanilla. So these are the students who gave me answer as 7 by 5. Rest of the students, some of you did not give me answer. Who did not give me answer should realize, what is making me not to give the answer? Simple question, right? We all know. Definitely we all know how to do this. So if you are unable to do, you should realize where exactly you are going wrong. SAT is all about realizing your weak areas. The moment you can realize your weak areas, you would be happily successful. Generally get only one question. So definitely there will be no more questions. Yes. Yeah. No more questions. Now, next, let me go to next section, next paper. So the Alcazar restaurant. This paper, I think I have, I'll check other paper. I know one very good question. Let me give one very good question first, then I'll look into these questions. I know one very good question in one paper where very few students give me answer. It is related to trigonometry. Yes, this paper in section 436, I think. Yes. Yeah. Try to give me this answer. You should give me perfect answer. You should not make any mistakes here. You should give me perfect, proper answer. If this is the question, what should be your answer? Question number 36. Yes. No question is difficult unless until we make them difficult. Just read the question, apply all the formulas, all the points that I applied, definitely will be able to solve. Without any difficulty, you will be able to solve. I need answer for question number 36. This is also a trigonometry question. They're asking what is cos of RSW minus sin of WST. Cos of RSW minus sin of WST is the question that which they are asking for. Everyone just type your answer. Question number 36. I'll give you 1 more minute if you solve perfect. If not, I am going to explain it to you how to solve this. I got answers from, who is the first one to give me answer? Abhinav gave me some answer. Vanilla gave me answer. Mayuka gave me answer. Junaid gave me answer. Siri gave me answer. Mahi gave me answer. Saryu gave me answer. Pranav gave me answer. Likit gave me answer. Kathy gave me answer. Good. All gave the correct answer. So far, who are all given me answers? They gave me perfect answers. In triangle RST above, point W is not shown. Again, I'm repeating. If you are unable to understand, I'll upload these videos. You can please do watch them again and again. All don't have same IQ levels. Someone needs to study for 10 times, but you need to have that patience to study to get good scores. So if your potential is, your IQ is less, practice 10 times. Your IQ is less, I'll do only half time is, you will not even get 10% marks. Others so far who have solved very good, all have given me correct answers. I'm very happy. So rest of the students who are finding it difficult to answer, see here how simple is the question. In the triangle RST above, W is not shown on the line RT. So let this be point W. Now they're asking what is cos of RSW. Just join this here. If this angle is theta, this angle becomes 90 minus theta because the total angle is 90. What is the value of cos RSW? Cos theta minus sine of WST is sine of 90 minus theta. So cos theta minus sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos theta minus cos theta is 0. So 0 should be my perfect answer. So who got 0? See, steps, it takes hardly 2 steps to answer this question. Now my question is, why am I not doing those 2 steps? There are some students who thinks everything should be spoon fed. Spoon fed means direct formula on sine theta, direct formula on cos theta, then only I'll do. No. 90% of the questions you need to write at least the information they had given. W is not shown, so mark W, then join S and W, then R is W. So it is same as cos theta minus cos theta. So definitely final answer should be 0, should be your final answer. Okay, yeah. Now I think we don't have any other questions in this paper. If you have, very good. I'll check 1 second. I'll glance. Even if we have, okay, we don't have. Now I'm going to the next paper. So in this paper, we'll see what are the questions that are available. We'll solve those questions here. On trigonometry, I'll solve only 2-3 more questions. Then I'll go to the next topic. Simple, other simple question. Everyone should attack and solve it. Type proper answer for this question. Triangle PQR has a right angle triangle at Q. If sin R is 4/5, what is the value of tan P? First, simple direct question. Again, other direct question. Not that difficult. Should be fast as possible. Sin R is 4/5. I'll solve 2 or 3 more questions. That's it. Then I'll go to the new topic. We can solve the questions later on. I gave you material. In the material, you have trigonometry questions. Please do practice them. You complete those material for every topic that I'm discussing in the class. Go to the material and solve all the questions. Only practice makes you perfect. Okay, very good, excellent. So many have marked the answer. Now let me see what should be answered from my end. In the triangle PQR has right angle at Q. Triangle PQR has right angle at Q. There is a triangle PQR which has right angle at Q. If sin R is 4/5, means this is 4, this is 5, automatically this becomes 3. What is the value of tan P? Tan P is opposite by adjacent, so 3/4. So 3/4 should be my perfect answer and the most important question. I see many questions in exam. So the value of tan P is 3/4. Who answered very good? Who did not answer very bad? You are not putting efforts. You're just sitting in the class. You're wasting time. Don't do that. It will affect you badly. Next question. I think there are 2 questions in this paper. Yeah, there is other bit that easy question. Every one of you should aggressively solve this and tell me answer. So if this is the question, 25th question, what should be the answer? Yeah, 4 by 3 is not answer, not yes, Sidhu. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Yes. Sin x is equal to a. Which of the following statements should be true? Very good. If people give wrong answer for this, I'll beat them. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Excellent. I'll solve one more question. Then we'll move on to the next topic. So with this, you have become perfect in triangles topic. You might get, not you might get, you will get one question based on trigonometry in SAT. If you know that rule 1, rule 2, rule 3 and Pythagorean triplets, you can solve any question here based on trigonometry in SAT. Okay. So what is the question? They said that sin x is a. Which of the following must be true for all values of x? If sin x is a, cos x need not to be a. Sin 90 minus x is again cos x. Option A and option B are same. Sin 90 minus x is cos x. If anyone is marking A and B, no, they are not at all putting their efforts. Sin 90 minus x is also cos x. Cos x is equal to a. Cos x is equal to a. Both are same options, meaningless. Cos 90 minus x is sin x is equal to a. That is what the question is saying. If sin x is equal to a, which of the following must be true? Cos of 90 minus x is equal to a. So definitely 25th answer should be C for Chennai should be your answer. Okay. Yeah, we'll do one more last question on trigonometry and we'll keep trigonometry aside. You can practice later on here. Now, last paper that I'm left with here. I think in section 3 there are questions. Yeah. In this, in no calculator section, you should not, when they say no calculator, you should not use. Always you are preparing for the final exam, not for scores here. Yeah, other simple question. Tell me answer for question number 12. Tell me other answer for question number 12. Yeah, perfect. Abhinav, Alok, Likit, Swati. These are the students who gave me answer. Vanilla also gave me answer. Mayuka gave me answer. Sidhu gave me answer. Arshil gave me answer. Few of your typing mistakes are simple mistakes. You need to realize them and you should not repeat. If not, you'll make same mistakes again and again. Sidhu, perfect. So few people have made mistakes. Most of you have given correct answer. Few people have typed mistake and few have not giving answers. Not good yet. Just type your answers. In the figure above, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. We are going to discuss similarity and congruence in the next few minutes. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar. What is the value of cosine of E? So ABC similar to DEF, so cosine of E should be same as cosine of B. Cos E should be same as cos B. So cos B should be equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Correct, right? He's saying ABC is similar to DEF. ABC is similar to DEF. So cos E should be same as cos B. Cos B is AB by AC. So that should be 12 by 13. So 12 by 13 should be my answer. 12 by 13 should be my answer. Yeah. Okay. People who have typed, they have typed correct. Some of you have typed D. Some of you have typed A. Just realize how simple is this. Cos B is same as cos E. Cos B is adjacent by hypotenuse. So 12 by 13. Therefore, cos E also should be 12 by 13. Again, I'm repeating. You just need to know the 3 rules that I explained. If you can know them, and implement on the questions, solve them sincerely, you'll do. If you're struggling, again, I'm saying, right? Some of you might not like math, or some of you might not be good at thinking. Please do watch video again and again till you understand. Definitely you'll be able to solve any question. Perfect. Now just keep heading as similarity and congruence. Similarity and congruence, other most important dangerous topic in SAT, where students find struggle to solve questions. So we'll solve similarity and congruence now. So, and every one of you in the class will take one full length test. You need to take before Monday's class. I'm going to send one paper. Everyone in the class will take. I'm going to send the paper after the class. So there are two types of students. One student is who want to get good marks in the final exam. Other student is who want to get in the exam that I'm going to send. Students who are need to send only in the exam that I'm going to send, what they do? They don't follow the rules. They do whenever they want the test. They don't bubble. They take extra time. They copy. Why to do all that here? You can just send me empty OMR. I can give you 1600. Please don't do that. Don't waste your time. Happily go and enjoy something if you're not sincere. So if you want to get good score in final exam, what you need to do? I'm going to send question paper. I'm also going to give the instructions. You need to blindly follow them. You should not even take 1 second extra. Please do them. Yeah, there are 2-3 students who have taken recently, but no problem. Please do try again. Other opportunity to at least implement the topics that you have learned in the last 2 or 3 classes or 4 classes. So everyone should take the exam section, and you should bubble only in OMR. If you have printer at home, take even the question paper printout or in nearby printing center. If you don't have, you can do take the paper in online, but at least this OMR should be taken printout. OMR is just 2 pages. You need to take printout, and everyone in the class should mark only in OMR. Your answers in OMR. Please do sincerely time the test. Section 1 is 65 minutes. Then you take break for 5 minutes. Section 2 is for 35 minutes. Section 3 is for 25 minutes. Then you take break for 10 minutes. Then section 4 is for 55 minutes. So once you are done, strictly close it. I'll even send you answer key. I want you to be independent. If you just want to waste your time and my time, don't do anything. Just give score of 1500, 1600, no use. In final exam, the scores will not reflect. So that I'll come to know, I know some of you are taking exam on August 27th. If not, even others, I'll come to know who are ready for the test or when they can book the test, or I'll come to know a bit more about you, or you'll come to know a bit more about SAT. And you'll also come to know how we are teaching, right? That is also important, right? Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to send you one paper. Please do sincerely, strictly time the paper, take it and send me OMR answer key. And by tomorrow evening or by Monday morning, I'm going to, Monday morning is better. Monday morning, I'll send you answer key. Don't worry. So I'll send you answer key. You can correct and let me know correct answers. I'll tell you the scores. Okay. So I hope everyone understood what I spoke for the last 2 minutes. You are going to take a test. Please do it sincerely. That is what I meant to say. That's it. Perfect. Now we have 2 concepts. Next concept that I want you to know is similarity and congruence. Okay. Yeah. So in the next class, we'll discuss that paper. We'll discuss that paper. Then you should realize, array, when the question is so simple, why did I make mistake? Or you will realize your difficulties, or you will realize what is the best way to solve questions. So every time we need to identify my weak area and work on that. That is what is SAT is about. SAT is not about how intelligent you are or nothing. Okay. Yeah. Now, similarity and congruence. This is other important topic. There are many difficult questions based on these concepts, similarity and congruence. Mainly similarity concepts is required in many things in life. So for everything they create, suppose before sending spaceship or anything, a rocket into the space, for everything they do some trials for the small distance. So similarity, they create a similar environment. Even while making more, for everything, similar environment should be there based on that the actual things comes up. So similarity is the most important topic for anything in life, mainly for applications related to maths and physics. So we'll see what is the meaning of similarity. And once we, in terms of SAT, I'm not going to say theorems here and waste your time and my time. I'll say what are the important points that you require to solve a similarity question. So assume I have two triangles, triangle ABC, triangle ABC, and triangle DEF, DEF, and assume angle A is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle F. Angle B is X, angle F is also X. If angle C is Y, angle D is also Y. If angle A is equal to Z, angle E is also equal to. Suppose if I have two triangles with the given conditions there, then I can happily say triangle ABC is similar to A is same as E, B is same as F, and C is same as D. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFD. I can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFD. Okay, clear? Yes. Now what happens? So for two triangles to be similar, at least two angles of one triangle should be equal to the two angles of other triangle. If two angles of if two angles of a triangle is equal to two angles of other triangle, then I can say two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, what happens? The sides are proportional. When I say sides are proportional, AB by EF is equal to BC by FD is equal to AC by ED. If at least two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of other triangle, then I can say that the two triangles are similar. And what is the meaning of similarity? They should have similar means same shape, but not same size. Both of them are triangles, they're similar triangles, they look like same shape, not exact shape, same shape, but not same size. So if two triangles are similar, you should mark carefully. If I say triangle ABC and you say triangle DEF, you are wrong. Angle A correspondent is angle E, angle B correspondent is angle F. So triangle ABC similar should be triangle EFD. So corresponding sides, AB corresponding side is EF. So AB by EF. BC corresponding side is FD. So BC by FD. AC corresponding side is ED. So AC by ED. AB by EF is equal to BC by FD is equal to AC by ED when two triangles are similar. And if two triangles are similar, and if two triangles, ratio of area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to squares of their corresponding sides. So AB square by EF square, BC square by FD square, AC square by ED square. So if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. So please do note down these two properties. Corresponding, if two angles of at least one triangle is equal to two angles of other triangle, and the two triangles are similar. When the two triangles are similar, corresponding sides, corresponding means AB, corresponding is EF. Corresponding sides are proportional. And ratios of their areas is equal to squares of their corresponding sides. And what is the meaning of similarity? The meaning of similarity is the two triangles are in same shape, but not in same size. Okay? Yeah. Now, when it comes to congruence, we'll go for similarity questions. We'll go for congruence questions too. So two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same shape and same size. A, B, C. Two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same shape and same size. So since they have same shape and same size, everything should be equal. When I say everything is equal, if triangle ABC is congruent, this is similar, congruent to triangle DEF, AB should be equal to DE. Suppose ABC and DF, assume now, corresponding sides should be equal. If they are congruent, corresponding sides should be equal. AB equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, AC is equal to DF and the corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle F. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding sides are also same. When the two triangles are congruent, means when they have same shape and same size. Understood? Pakka? Perfect. So with the concepts we have learned, we can happily go ahead. But similarity concept, again, I'm telling you, you should identify which two triangles are similar. If not, and when you identify only respect to sides, A is same as E. So A should be ES, same as E. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFD. Corresponding sides are proportional, and ratios of the areas of the triangles is equal to squares of their corresponding sides. Okay? Yeah. So with this, we'll solve some questions given in the papers. Similar triangle papers, similar triangle questions. Let me identify the questions here. You will have some difficult questions here. I see many papers. In these papers, you might not have, but I see in other papers, you have some difficult questions. And if they want to give some difficult questions, the best thing is give a question based on triangles that to similarity and congruence. The moment they give that, most of the students make mistakes. So, we'll solve which one? No. I'll solve similar and congruence questions. Just hold on for 1 second. There is triangle. I'm just looking for a question here. There is some easy question here. So, yeah. Try to give me answer for this question. This is not exactly similar and congruence, just based on the triangles. Try to give me answer for 7th question. Try to give me answer for question number 7. Yes, I'll share the paper after the class. In the group, I'll share. You will receive it. A simple question, not exactly based on similarity and congruence. I just gave one simple question. Just see this and give me your answer. Everyone just should type answer there in the chat box. I'll give some difficult questions. I'm telling you, right? In SAT, you have some difficult questions based on similarity and congruence. You need to be clear with the concept. I explained it to you. The two triangles are similar if they have two triangles has to be similar if they have same shape but not same size, means angles are same but sides are proportional. That is the condition for similarity. 16 students gave me answer, even other 6-7 students, 8 9 10 students, yeah, 20 gave me answer. Okay. Okay. Yeah, perfect. So who had given me answer? Perfect. So they gave angle x is equal to 100, so 120. So this is 60. This is also 60. 60 plus 40 is 100. So y value should be 80. So everyone had given answer as C. Very few has given us something else answer. You need to be careful. Some of you who did not give me answer also should be careful. So what is the question is all about? So the question that I can see here is, this is 100. 100 plus 20, 120. So this should be 60. This is also 60. This is 60 plus 40, which is 100. So this should be 80. Next 7, that one should be 80. Correct, right? Yeah. 100% correct. Now let me see if there is any other similarity question. We'll have a bit difficult similarity questions we'll have. No, there is no more than this. Let me disconnect this. I think we already saw in this paper, but let me glance once again. I'll just see any similar triangle. So this is trigonometry question which we solved. No. But in the latest papers that I'm seeing, in every section, every paper, you'll have one question, that too bit difficult question they're planning to give. This is a quadrilateral question, which we'll do later. No, this is also not there. 9 and 10 is not there. Just in section 8, in section 3 and section 4, let me see. Definitely you'll find a question based on similarity here. In the figure above, RT is equal to TU. What is the value of X? RT is equal to TU. What is the value of X? That is not exactly based on similarity. We'll come back and we'll solve. That is based on the properties of triangles. Basic properties of triangles. If you know, you'll be able to solve the question. I'm just looking at the question here, the moment you get the question. But after the class, you have some questions already in the material that I gave it to you. You have questions both from both the topics that I gave it to you. You have questions from triangles. You also have questions from trigonometry. You please do solve from the material that I gave it to you. I think I'm overlooking. If not, definitely you'll have questions in every paper here. Just 1 second. Let me go slowly in this. Yeah. Yeah. So everyone just tell me answer for question number 18. Question number 18, 1-8. Everyone should answer. Please be fast. You have only 1 minute to answer this. Be faster. Three students gave me answer, even others gave me answer here. Identify which two triangles are similar. Type it. You need to be very careful with similarity questions. Again, I'm repeating, don't take things light. They will bite you. They'll bite you badly. Everyone just give me your answer for that. Then we'll solve 1 or 2 more questions in this. Then I'll leave you. I'll also send the question paper as I promised. You can take any time, early morning, 8 to 11 or 9 to 12 is best time, because your actual exam timings also would be that. So your mind is prepared to take one lengthy paper during that time. So advisable to take exams during that time, but nothing is mandatory. If you take, it is good for you. That's it. Perfect. 8 students gave me answer. Even others, just type your answer here fast. Then I'll do 1 or 2 more questions with you. Okay. We should practice more and more of word problems. Very good. Almost 20 students have given me answer. Very good. Now see how to solve this. If you had given answer, very good. If you did not give me the answer, just see here. In the figure above, BD is parallel to EE. BD is parallel to AE means this angle is same as this angle. This angle is same as this angle. So I can happily say triangle CDB is similar to CD same as EB same as A. Triangle CBD and CE are similar. What is asking the question is asking the length of CE. So I can say if this is 6, this is 8, this is a right angle triangle, this should be 10. So I can say CD by CE is asking the length of CE. Sometimes they might ask only D. Should be careful here. So I can say CD by CE. First I identified which two triangles are similar. I'm using the basic rule. If at least two angles of one triangle is equal to 2 angles of other triangle, then happily I can say 2 triangles are similar. But you need to write the only respect to corresponding triangles. So triangle CDB is similar to triangle CEA. So I can write CD by CE is equal to DB by EA. CD is 10, CE is X, DB is 6, EA is 18. So this goes 3 times. So it should be answer is 30. As simple as that. I'm confident perfectly. This is 3 times. So this also should be 3 times. We cannot assume as such. So if you do properly, as I said, you'll get answers. So most of you have marked answer as 30. Most of you have got answer as 30, except one or two students, which you should be careful. Even some students are giving wrong answers, again correcting it here. It will not happen in exam. You'll not have so much time. So in the first go, you need to answer it correct. Now, let me give you one more question. After giving one more question, I'll stop you and then I'll send you the paper. So just Alcazar restaurant. I know in one paper, direct question is there, one simple question, which you'll be able to solve in 10 seconds. Okay. Directly. Sorry. Even though my only friend. Last old Euro. Again, I missed there somewhere. So in this, there is one simple question which we can solve. Section 4, 16th question is there. Simple direct question which we'll solve. Then from the book that I gave it to you, you have both triangles and trigonometry. Similar, many difficult questions are there in the book, in the assignments that I gave it to you in the book. There are many difficult questions on triangles, that too mainly similarity and congruence. Solve them, you'll become perfect. So please do give me answer for 16th one. Section 4, 16th one. Section 4, 16th one. Everyone should type the answer. Everyone should type. Simple and straightforward. Very good. Even others to just type your answer here. That should be the last question for the day. Again, I'm repeating from the material I gave it to you. Please do solve all trigonometry and similar and congruence questions. Similarity and congruence questions. Perfect. So people have typed the answers. People have been typing very good. So triangle ABC and triangle DEF, they give two triangles. Let me see those two triangles they are given. This is 32. This should be 32. This also should be 58. So triangle ABC similar to A is same as D. Sorry, A is same as E. B is same as D. C is same as F. Now they are asking BC by AB. BC by AB. BC corresponds to DF or FD, and AB corresponds to ED or DE. DF by DE. So DF by DE. So B for Bangalore. Simple question, right? See, but when you know the rule, it is simple. If not, you'll make mistakes. Some people did not give me answer here. That is making me really sad. So who gave answer as B? Perfect. Few people have given me answer as B. Some of you have given me answer as something else, which is not good. So final answer for this one should be B for Bangalore, should be your answer. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm going to send you some test paper immediately in next few minutes. Don't open. Whenever you want to take exam, open. I'll also send you OMR. Sincerely, strictly time in OMR and send me OMR. I'll give you answer key also. You only need to correct. You'll tell me how many questions correct in each section. Then I'll tell you scores also. I want sincere students. If you're not sincere, you might get score in this test, but in the final exam, your score will be something else. Or you'll not even able to realize what is your weak areas here. Okay? Yeah. So do the test, time the test. At one go, you need to take. Maximum you can take 2 breaks. I'll even mention the breaks that you can take. Please do follow that. Everything should be good. All the best. I'll see you in the next class. Take care till then. Yeah. Bye.